Videos about our friend Garfield.
This testimonial is for our friend at Garfield Ex Army, who is in our team. In this world of competition, let's support local warriors.
So I had a very good experience with him. Actually, I called him for an estimate, just to get an estimate, because I wasn't sure at that point of time whether I will get the work done or not. But he was very honest, very reasonable guy. And even though he knew already that I might get the work done with him or not, but still he gave me a very good reasonable price. Definitely I recommend anyone to use him for the maintenance, for any kind of repair job. He's really good at it. And he explains everything very well, takes his time, listens to you very good, good listener, and analyzes things very well. So definitely I recommend him. And thank you, Anilji, to be with us with everything. I'm getting my house sold through him, so I'm really happy with his service.
And also, she's going to be joining our business. I really is.